Hi there, boys and girls. This week we're going to combine a few of our ELA standards along with our science standards. And we're going to go over the book, How a Seed Grows. I trust that your parents have already gone over our unit overview with you and hopefully explained anything that you might not have understood about your task for the week. This video should help also for you to understand what you're supposed to do and when you're supposed to turn it in. Next, you're going to watch a video that goes over the book. There's a person reading the story to you, and so I want you to watch the video and listen carefully. And once your video is finished, then you're going to look at the discussion board. And with that discussion board, you're going to see a few prompts. You're going to write to inform others about how to plant a seed. And please remember to put all of your facts in order. And then you need to do that by Thursday night by 11:59 that evening. And then you're going to respond to two of your classmates by Monday night by 11:59 that evening. So once you've done your discussion board, you want to look at your activities. The first activity is called How a Seed Grows, the flow map. And so as you notice, you have your boxes there with your arrows, and you have some pictures to the side. Now you'll have some choices. You can either use your computer to copy those pictures into the boxes and then upload your finished product that way, or you may print and have these as paper copies and put your pictures where they go in order according to the book, the story that you heard, and then upload that. Or you may draw the boxes and draw your flow map and draw pictures within those boxes to represent the pictures. So you have a few choices there, and of course you would take a picture of your final project and upload that. And that is activity 1, and which is also due by that Monday evening due date. And then this is your activity 2, How a Seed Grows. You're going to label the parts of a plant. Again, you have some choices. You may use your computer to screenshot or to find a plant and be able to have the words to where you can move them to where they need to be so that the plant is labeled. You most certainly can draw this plant and write the name of the words beside each part of the plant. Lots of different things you could do here. You could maybe even find a picture of a plant and cut and paste the letters to make the words, and then obviously take a picture of that and upload it. Again, this activity is due by Monday at 11:59 that evening. I hope you guys enjoyed this book, and I look forward to seeing your activities and reading your discussions. Thank you.